My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the website it just happened. The staff of the Abuja Urban Mass Transport Company don't come to do an ugly protest because of their oga will be the managing director of the company wey name be Mr. Najib Abdul Hassam. Say because the FCT minister will be Nyesom Wike on Wednesday, September 27, 2023, order say may they remove all the heads of the agencies that waiting for inside Abuja and the parasata them. They make all of them come out from their position. And on Thursday, September 28, 2023, now they do this inaugural protest. Calabar police don't arrest one Okada rider who be motorcycle rider say because he go beat 30-year-old taxi driver wey name be Fimbe Thomas take by on Wednesday, September 27, 2023 for inside Tunjuwada community, that just not local government area of Plateau State. As the motorcycle driver come out to come talk, say because the taxi driver use his own motor, take jam his own Okada, now make two of them take get this obonge gbege. Federal government don't come they make sure say Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress they not go the nationwide strike where they plan say they go do on October 3rd, 2023. As federal government don't invite the labor leaders say may they come for meeting so they go join body to make sure say they go settle things. And on Friday, September 29th in the evening time, now they put the meeting say they go do. The Lagos State government don't order immediate effect say may they lock Ladipo market for inside Mushi. As the Lagos State government come they complain say because they know they obey the environmental laws and they know they pack the dirty there where they for inside the market, even to pay the dirty money where they're supposed to they use to pack all the dirty them, so they know they agree pay. And now today, September 29th, on Friday 2023, now Lagos State government order say may they lock the market. The World Health Organization WHO don't come release $16 million from the WHO contingency fund emergency to fight against cholera. And now the WHO Director General will be Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus. Now he had this talk during the news conference. The Delta State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal Court on Friday, September 29, 2023, don't come through the All Progressive Congress candidate will be Senator Omoagege petition when he writes against the governorship election where they do for inside Delta State. We make Delta State Governor will be Sheriff Oborowori when he win the election. The Central Bank of Nigeria on Thursday, September 28, 2023, don't confirm say the $3 billion emergency loan of crude oil where federal government be secure for August. So say now they go use to take make the naira take stand gidigba and it go get value. Plenty people don't come out to come they find one boy where they thought say the Delta State they call about police and I pursue the boy take run enter inside one river as the boy come poof by because the boy no fit swim and the river dey for the deeper life road water side inside that Ibeji Egbokodo Ishekiri community for that Warren South local government area of Delta State. Now this begin happen on Friday, September 29, 2023.
Delta will not pursue person that water. Oh, the person don't die. Oh, like so. I will not. They don't carry. They don't run. Oh, this one I want to return. They can make.
Nigerians go still start to pay higher price for calls, data, SMS, and other telecommunication services. And according to waiting the telecommunication companies they talk, we say because of the tax where they pay too much from different states, them we say their companies they. The governor of Imo State, where we hope Uzodinma don't come the yarn during website they doing campaign. As they come they tell the Imo light them, say Europeans them and Canadian companies them say they don't promise you, say they go give them 4,000 jobs for abroad. As in contour saying government go make sure you go pay the flight ticket of the Imo youth them to travel go abroad to go work. As Nigerians they come they fire bad man they give and say he will be governor not even secure work for your own people for inside your own state. Now abroad now you go feel secure work for them.
I have gone further to negotiate with the European Union companies and Canadian companies. And by December this year, 4,000 Imo youths will be employed in Europe.
Lagos State Fire and Rescue Service don't come save one motor wey made the motor not burn fire and the Range Rover be get ogbonge accident as it come catch fire. But thank God say the Lagos State Fire Service them they dey nearby wey make they come quench the fire, and this begin happen for Ikeja Alongo inside Lagos State on Friday, September 29, 2023. Plenty people don't come the vex after we be say one woman wey enter inside one chance motor as the thief dem collect everything wey be say the woman carry, come wunjure the woman well wey make the woman come dey bleeding. As dem come rush the woman, dey take go the Matama General Hospital for inside Abuja, and the hospital no gree accept the woman wey make dem take lock the door, and the woman for inside the motor wey dem put her, na so the woman come bleed until wey she come kpai, wey make Nigerians dem come dey provoke. Say if a whole government hospital no fit accept im own citizen to treat am, so how much more private hospital? And this gbege happen for inside Abuja yesterday night, September 28, 2023.
We are just in Matama General Hospital. Fortunately, we call one of the nurses we just met here. She said they cannot attend to her. They have their reason. Instead of them to quickly rush this woman and save her life, they are saying there are procedure and process, and they just lock their gates against us.
The special task force operation Safe Haven don come show criminal suspect dem wey say na dem kpai one Mrs. Dorothy Jonathan. Also, dem always dey manufacture guns. Na dem also take burn the St. Raphael Catholic Church. Come even kpai one herdsman for inside Kaduna. And na army na dem post this story on top their X handle. More than 900 immigrants dem don come kpai as they try one cross the Mediterranean Sea for this summer, and that one come be 3 times number of people dem say dem kpai last year. Between June and August, 990 people dem don come kpai wey be say dem dey miss for inside the Mediterranean Sea where dem dey cross enter inside Europe. 14-year-old school girl and one coach driver don come kpai for inside one ogbonge accident wey happen for Merseyside, northwest England on Friday morning, September 29, 2023, and the school bus carry 54 school children of the West Kebbi Grammar School and Cardiff Grange Grammar School wey dey for inside Merseyside. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.